This is our trusty floor machine. We had the handle break on us, or the clamp to hold the handle, so making the floor machine useless. So nonetheless, we got a new one in, so we'll get that changed out. So the first thing we'll do is take the tank off, get all this removed, and then dive into the handle, get these screws taken off. There's 6, I believe, or 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get this taken off, and that should be able to slide up once those bolts are off the wheel brackets. That bracket should be able to slide right up off the handle, and we'll be able to put a new one down. So a 1/2 inch. Okay, so we got the handle taken off. So a lot of this stuff may pop right out. You want to be careful. First and foremost, make sure the cord's unplugged. Our cord's been unplugged. This actually broke on a job I was on. So I had to bring it back here and pick up another one. Nonetheless, I'm fixing it. So just be a little cautious, though. You do have some stuff that pops out and that is loose along with the handle. Remove the ground lines, and then you pop this pin out right here. This flat plate will slide out. We're going to slide this tank off, and then we should be able to get this part off once we disconnect or unscrew all these, the bottom part of it. All right, so we have the plate off the handle assembly, and I've removed the housing. As long as you get the plate that's holding this and your grounding wires, as long as you get that off of the handle, there's gonna be like an inch and a half pin. It goes in and it only comes out one way. So that's what holds the square bracket, the plate in here, which essentially holds the handles. Done. We are going to loosen these bolts and get this old one taken off. All right, so we got it on. Quick tip, I use some WD-40. You can use some lube or whatever when you slide it down. I don't know, it's a little rough up here, so just turn it and lube it a little and wipe it with a rag. You'll be good. Nonetheless, it's on. We are going to get the whole wheel thing put back together, get it bolted back up. Once the handle is off, this repair is pretty easy. Again, it's 3 wires. You just unplug. And then this one ground or a few bolts, you're gonna have a little bolt holding this bracket down to this bar. So once that's off, it's fairly easy. This is the second time I've replaced this. As you can tell, this is a workhorse, so can't complain. All right, got her all buttoned up, put back together. She is good. New clamp. So if you're having troubles with the Clarke floor machine, the wheel handle lock wire holder thing, whatever it's called, hopefully this video helps. Again, it's for the Clarke CFP Pro.